Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Consolidated Funds view in Zerodha. This feature offers a unified perspective of your capital across all trading segments, including equity, commodity, and currency. It's designed to simplify your financial oversight, making it easier to track your available capital and manage your trading activities efficiently. Let's dive into the steps to access and understand this crucial information. To begin, you'll need to log into your Zerodha Kite account. Once logged in, navigate to the Console section, which is accessible from the main menu. Within Console, you will find a Funds tab at the top. Click on this tab and then select the Statement option. This will lead you to the page where you can view your detailed fund transactions and balances. On the Fund Statement page, you can customize your view. First, select the relevant category, such as equity or commodity, to filter your transactions. Next, choose a specific date range for which you wish to review your financial activity. The statement will then clearly display your opening balance, along with all debits and credits. Carefully review these entries to understand your net available balance for trading. Effectively utilizing this fund statement allows you to reconcile your daily financial activities with ease. It empowers you to plan your future trading strategies more accurately, knowing your total available capital. Regularly monitoring your margin utilization across equity, commodity, and currency segments is crucial. This ensures you always have sufficient funds to support your existing positions and execute new trades without any unexpected interruptions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.